Good morning, students. We all know about quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable having maximum index 2, that is the maximum power of your given variable should be not more than 2. That this equation is called quadratic equation. Now to solve quadratic equation means the standard form of quadratic equation is x plus x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation means to find the value of x. If we got value of x is equals to 2 or 3, their power is 2, therefore we got 2 value of x. Then these 2 and 3 will call roots of given quadratic equation. What is meant by root? Root of a quadratic equation. What is meant by root? The value of variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation is called its root. Now we will see nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means if you have given any two roots, any quadratic equation, then we have to see whether its roots are real or not real. Now there is three conditions. First condition is if the given quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. First condition is if value of b square minus 4ac is 0. If we got the value of b square minus 4ac 0, then our roots are real and equal. If value is 0, then roots are real and equal. Now second, if value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means its value is positive, then roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. When we got b square minus 4ac is positive, that is greater than 0. Now third one is if value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative value, then roots are not real. Roots are not real. These are the three conditions. If value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots of this quadratic equation are real and equal. If it is positive, then roots are real and unequal. And if this is negative, then roots are not real. Now we will see some examples. Given question is determine nature of roots of given quadratic equations. First example is x square plus 10x minus 7 is equals to 0. To determine nature of its root, first calculate value of b square minus 4ac. First we will compare this equation with standard form. Comparing above equation with standard form, we got a as the coefficient of x square is 1, b the coefficient of x is 10, and c is constant term, that is minus 7. Now calculate first value of b square minus 4ac. It is also called as discriminant. B square minus 4ac is also called as discriminant. Discriminant. First calculate the value of discriminant. What is b? 10. b square 10 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 7. Now solve this. 10 square 100 minus 4 ones are 4, minus and minus plus, 4 sevens are 28. Now we got 128. Value of b square minus 4ac is 128. It is positive or negative? Positive. That is, it is greater than 0. Therefore, our roots are real and unequal. Therefore, roots of given quadratic equation are real and unequal. First we compare this equation with the standard form. We got a as 1, b as 10 and c as minus 7. Now calculate the value of discriminant. b square minus 4ac, we got it is 128, which is positive. Therefore our roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and equal when the value of discriminant is 0. अगर b square minus 4ac की वैल्यू 0 आई, उस टाइम पे रूट्स कैसे रहेंगे? रियल और इक्वल रहेंगे. अभी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है इसलिए रियल एंड अनइक्वल. नाउ वी विल सी अनदर एग्जांपल. x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0. क्या करेंगे? पहले हम इसको कंपेयर करेंगे विद स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. कंपेयरिंग अवर इक्वेशन विद स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के साथ में कंपेयर करने के बाद में क्या मिलेगा हमको? ए वी गॉट ए एज 2, b as minus 5 and c constant term having no x or x square is 7. Now calculate first. We have to determine nature of the roots. Therefore first calculate value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Value of discriminant. This is our discriminant. b is minus 5, b square है, therefore minus 5 square minus 4 as it is. Our a is 2 into value of c is 7. Minus 5 square 25. The square of minus is plus, minus 4 2s are 8 और 8 7s are 56. Now subtract them. We got 31. Sign of bigger number, that is minus 31. We got value of b square minus 4ac as minus 31. This is negative number less than 0. We got the value of discriminant is less than 0. Therefore roots are real. Roots are not real. नेगेटिव वाले है तो रूट्स रियल नहीं रहेंगे. Therefore roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Understood why roots are not real? Because the value of discriminant is negative. Therefore roots are not. Now third example is root 3 x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equals to 0. This is our given quadratic equation. We have to find nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. Now first compare this equation with the standard form. With standard form. We got A, coefficient of x square is root 3, B, coefficient of x is 2 root 3, and C, constant term, it is root 3. Now calculate value of discriminant. B square minus 4AC. What is B? B is 2 root 3. B square means we have to take its square minus 4 into our A is root 3 into C is root 3. We kept value of B square minus 4 into A into C. Now square. Square of 2 is 4. Square of root 3 is square of root 3. Square of root 3. Square root and square cancels each other. Our answer is 3. Therefore 2 square is 4 into root 3 square is 3 minus 4. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 square. Square root cancel. We got 3. Therefore root 3 into root 3 is 3. We got 3. 4 into 3, 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 4 3s are 12. Therefore value of B square minus 4AC is how much? It is 0. We got the value of discriminant is 0. Therefore our roots are real and equal. Therefore roots are real and equal. Therefore roots are real and equal. Why roots are real and equal? Because the value of our discriminant is 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Thus we have seen one example when roots are real and unequal. Second example when roots are not real, and third example when roots are real and equal. Now I will ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Can you tell me formula for discriminant? What is discriminant? B square minus 4AC is called discriminant. If value of this B square minus 4AC is 0, then roots are you have to complete this. If B square minus 4AC is less than 0, then roots are if B square minus 4AC is greater than 0, then roots are, you have to fill in the blanks. Now I will give you some example. To solve at home, you have to find the nature of the roots. Homework here. Determine nature of roots. First example is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Second example is m square minus 9m plus 7 is equals to 0. Third example is root 7 x square plus 2 root 7 x plus 32 is equals to 0. You have to determine nature of the roots. Okay.